Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving ownership. Check the registered email or phone on your DMSS account and locate the device serial or account ID. Once you have those, open the DMSS app, but do not try random passwords. Instead, use the official Forgot Password flow. It triggers secure verification. Make sure your device is online and note recent login times so you can describe legitimate activity. This prevents delays, and it speeds up support verification when you contact the provider. You now proceed with the official recovery. In the app, tap Forgotten Password and follow the steps. Request a code, enter it, and set a new secure password. If you no longer control the registered email or phone, pause and collect ownership evidence, device serial, purchase receipt, or photos of device with serial visible, then contact official support. Do not use third-party recovery tools or guessing methods. They risk lockout, data loss, or violating terms. Support will guide you through identity checks. You finish by selecting a strong, unique password, 12 or more characters with mixed case, numbers, and symbols, and change it in the app. Once done, enable multi-factor authentication if available, and store recovery codes in a secure password manager. Make sure your device firmware and app remain updated. If the reset fails, escalate. Note the support ticket number, times of contact, and device serial, then request supervisor review. Troubleshooting tip: if verification codes don't arrive, check spam filter.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.